Ticking mountain. Once upon a time there lived a raccoon in the mountains behind my grandfather's house. A raccoon is a bad raccoon, and an old man is working in a field. "Hey, old man, it's a dirty old man," he said, cursing, and at night he would get rid of the potatoes from his field. The old man, unable to stand the raccoon's mischief, set up a trap in the field and caught the raccoon, and hung the raccoon on the ceiling of the house. "Grandma, he's a bad-natured raccoon, and you must never untie him," said he. I went straight to work in the fields. When the old man was gone, the raccoon said to the good old woman, "Grandma, I am reflecting on myself. I won't do anything wrong anymore. I'll rub your grandmother on the shoulder, if you don't mind." "You're going to say that and run away, aren't you?" "No, no, then I'll make you a bun with a raccoon secret." "A secret bun?" "Yes, it's very delicious, and if you take a bite, you can live 10 years longer. I'm sure your grandfather will like it. Of course, once you've finished making it, you can hang it on the ceiling again." "I see. Will my grandfather live long?" The old woman untied the rope she had tied, as the raccoon had told her to. Then the raccoon was afraid of her, and beat her to death with a stick beside her. "Yes, sir, you silly babbler, how could you believe a raccoon?" The raccoon said so and ran away to the mountain behind him. After a while, the grandfather was surprised to see the fallen grandmother. "Grandma, Granny, oh, my God." While the old man was crying, a kind-hearted rabbit came. "What's the matter, old man?" The raccoon did this to her, and ran away. "Oh, that bad raccoon, Grandpa, I'll take your grandmother's fire." When the rabbit thought of a way to get rid of the raccoon, he invited the raccoon all the time. "Dear raccoon, why don't you go all the way to the mountains?" "That's good, all right, let's go." Now, on his way home from all that time, the rabbit clicked with a flint and lit the raccoon's brim on his back. "Oh, rabbit, what's the ticking sound?" "Oh, this is a ticking mountain, that's why it ticks." After a while the raccoon's brim began to burn with a bo-bo. "What, rabbit, what's this bo-boo sound?" "Oh, this is Mount Bobo, and that's why it's called Bobo." Before long, the raccoon's brim began to burn heavily. "It's kind of hot, 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 help me." The raccoon got a big burn on his back. The next day the rabbit went to the raccoon with an ointment made of pepper. "Raccoon, I brought you some medicine for burns." "I am grateful for the medicine. What a terrible mountain it is. Come on, rabbit, my back is killing me. Get rid of it as soon as possible." "All right, put your back out." The rabbit burned the raccoon's back with pepper powder. "Wah, I want to take this medicine." "Don't put up with it. A medicine that works well hurts," said the rabbit, and wetted him more. Ugh! The raccoon fainted because of the pain. Now, after a few days the raccoon's back was healed, and the rabbit invited the raccoon to go fishing. "Dear raccoon, now that we've built a boat, let's go fishing in the sea." "That's good, all right, let's go." When I went to the sea, I found a boat with 2 coughs. You're brown, raccoon, said the hare, riding on a boat made of wood. And the raccoon rode on a brown boat made of mud. The 2 ships went off to sea one after the other. What do you think, raccoon? How does the boat ride? Yes, that's all right, thank you, Mr. Rabbit, for making the boat. Oh, the water is seeping in somehow. The boat, made of mud, gradually melted into the water. Clattering mountain. Wah, help me. The ship is melting, said the rabbit to the raccoon in a great hurry. Well, look at that. You killed my grandmother. Soon all the raccoon mudboats melted, and the raccoon sank directly into the bottom of the sea. The end.